ezi omume ezi omume ezi omume yiri ezi omume dịka uwe gị ezu n'ori ezu na ori gị agba na mụgha gị fụ nwanne gị n'anya nke kachasị ibe ya yiri ezi omume dịka uwe. Tata bụ ụbọchị aṅụrị, ụbọchị ndị na-abụrụ ịba akwa. Tata bụ ụbọchị aṅụrị, ụbọchị ndị na-abụrụ ịkwa mkpe. Tata bụ ụbọchị aṅụrị, ụbọchị ndị na-abụrụ ịba akwa. Tata bụ ụbọchị aṅụrị, ụbọchị ndị na-abụrụ ịkwa mkpe. Anyị ga-agaba n'ama igwe, anyị jebe n'ama igwe, na ekwensu nọchiela anyị ụzọ, ewele mbụrụ pịacha n'ihe ya enu, ọ daa ya ejebe n'igwe, na ọ daa ya ejebe ihe n'igwe. Ịmalụgwe na-eme amaala abụghị enyekeregbede, anya awụchiele igiridi ngiridi igirigidi. Amaala abụghị enyekeregbede, anya awụchiele igiridi ngiridi igirigidi. Gwa m ụdị uwe anyị ga-eyi n'ama igwe, gwa m ụdị okpu anyị ga-ekpu n'ama igwe. Anyị ga-eyi uwe ọcha ya na okpu ọlaedo, ya na kpakpando tụkwasịrị ya eji chọọ ya mma. Gwa m ụdị uwe anyị ga-eyi n'ama igwe, gwa m ụdị okpu anyị ga-ekpu n'ama igwe. Anyị ga-eyi uwe ọcha ya na okpu ọlaedo, ya na kpakpando tụkwasịrị ya eji chọọ ya mma. So ụmụ ibe, asị m ka nkene unu ndozi ọdịnala Igbo. Anyị nwawo ndị ndozi ọdịnala Igbo, ha amaghị ebe anyị si bịa, ha amaghị ka anyị si kwadobe. Anyị na-eje ama igwe, na ama igwe ka anyị na-eje. And this union of ama igwe, sọsọ ihe jikọrọ anyị ọnụ na this union bụ ezi omume, ezu n'ori, agba na ama ụgha, ịfụnanya. That is only thing. Onye ọbụla failụrụ this message of redemption will be drowned. Onye ahụ ga-drown. Chinese people have already gone. Europeans have already gone. Everybody already moved. Ugbo help go. Ugbo Asian ship move go. European ship move go. Anyị nwa na onwe anyị, we are heading to ama igwe to become in the same level with Chinese, with Europeans, with every developed human being on earth. Ebe anyị na-eje. So onye ọbụla who fail to stay on Facebook talking nonsense, if one day Facebook close, what are you going to do? If Facebook will stop working, what are you going to do? Nwanne, anyị ga-eyi uwe ọcha, anyị ga-eyi uwe ọcha, we will wear white cloth. Anyị ga-eyi uwe ọcha ya na okpu ọlaedo, ya na kpakpando, ihe kpakpando eji chọọ ya mma. We have chosen our path, and our path is pure. Onye ndozi ọdịnala ọbụla, it's a pledge. We will train you for job, and we will give you job. Anyị ga-enye gị ọrụ, train you, pay your security, social security, and pay your retirement benefit. That is our offer. For you to be good, ime ihe ọma nwere. There is no marriage without agreement. There is no marriage without agreement. If you are marriage before without agreement, that's why I tell you, these people in this continent, they don't understand anything. You want to go and marry, you pay agreement. Anything you do agreement. You want to go to work, you sign a contract. Then you want to have a union of people, community. If there is no interest, there is no community. If there is no interest, no community, we want to help our people. This is our offer. Anyị gara n'eluigwe, Bandu with Amadioha will come here on earth to help human being. We come here to help humanity. In the new heaven, n'eluigwe ebe anyị na-eje amụ igwe, na amụ igwe ka anyị na-eje, and anyị ga-eyi uwe ọcha as a symbol. Gwa m ụdị uwe anyị ga-eyi na amụ igwe. Anyị ga-eyi uwe ọcha ya na okpu ọlaedo ya na kpakpando tụkwasịrị ya eji chọọ ya mma. Ebe anyị na-eje ịghọtago, amaala abụghị enyekeregbede anya awụchiele. Ị na-anụ maka ha? Amaala abụghị enyekeregbede anya awụchiele. Amaala abụghị enyekeregbede anya awụchiele. Enyekeregbede ka ha amaala bụ enyekeregbede. Amaala bụ enyekeregbede. If you don't know, you nwere ike ịmaghị. Ịghọtago, anyị si n'eluigwe gbadata. We came from heaven above to help those who wants, the good ones. Ndị agha mere ihe ọma. We want to show the evil ones that na ihe ọma nwere consequence, ihe ọjọọ nwere consequence. We want to pay the good with good and the evil with evil. Anyị ga-akwụ ndị mere ihe ọma ịgwọ. We will pay them with goodness in your eyes. We will train them for job and give them job. And they will live in abundance and you will suffer. They will live in abundance. You cannot see me. You can't see me. My company is in everywhere in Nigeria running. If you don't know it now. My company is in everywhere in Nigeria running now. If you don't know it. Hey, come to Anibo to do what? Munagoha. Munagora. Hey, in Nigeria and do what? Do what? Then I'm living. You never eat. Go and eat. Carry any. Paid. This is discipline. Yeah, with discipline. Life will a place of discipline. You know, if you don't know it now. You want to useless life. Destroy human being. You cannot create. The land you cannot create, you destroy it. It took 9 months for a baby to form. Or take a 9 months for nature life to mold one single baby. 9 good months. It took hours for a mother to give birth. Took hours for a mother to give birth. There are people who stay for 20 years looking for one child. After everything, you will see them on the street, yamping. So this is the reason why your mother stay 20 years looking for a child. Yeah? For them to say somebody enslaved them. Only your God enslaved you. If you are in difficult situation, it's your God. Because it's between you and your God. It's between you and your God. Nobody else is enslaving you apart from your God. O metere were isi eburu. Ihe onye metoro were isi eburu. Emenyere nwa ogwugwu emenyere nwa anọsi ike. Nwa mmụọ emegbuna nwa mmadụ emegbuna nwa mmụọ. Egbe bere ugo bere nke si ibe ya ebera nkụkwa ya. Egbe bere ugo bere nke si ibe ya ebera ka nkụkwa ya. Challenge us. We brought religion of heaven on earth. We brought job. Anyị butere ọrụ. We brought human development. What we brought from heaven. What did you brought in? Destruction. Evil empires. Witchcraft and demonology. Destroying black race. Destroying black race. You will see that. You, your lawmakers still wear wig in 21st century. Your government still go and borrow money in IMF in 21st century. And you are talking. When we talk, you talk. And you know, nkete Republic of Ndeba University. So maybe dịka anyị si kwuo, Ndozi Odinala is a blessing, is a message of redemption. Ị chọrọ ịbịa na amụ igwe. Agreement for amụ igwe. Amụ igwe agreement is ezi omume, ezi omume, ezi omume. yiri ezi omume dịka uwe gị ezu na ori gị agba na mụgha gị fụ nwanne gị n'anya nke kachasị ibe ya yiri ezi omume dịka uwe. Nwanne, anaghị m gị ego. I did not ask you anything. I ask you if you give me goodness, I will give you job. I will pay your social security, I will pay your pension, but give me goodness, not money. I am the one who will give you job. You will take to train your family. You will pay school fees for your children. I will help you train your children to be a better children. That is what I ask you. Before you come and talk nonsense. I offer you something, but I want goodness. I want your land to be good. I want you to have a good children and have a retirement benefit. Onye ruo na anwụ na ndo. That is my own case with you. My own case with you, Bona. I want you to be good. That's all. That is what I ask you. Always you or something like it. I did not ask you to go and fight the institution. No. That's it. The ever people that come to Igbo land to offer development. This is not about Facebook. We have industries in Nigeria running now as much as you speak. So we cannot come here to tell you, no, that is not why we are here. We have companies in Nigeria now working, employ people, paying salaries. So you want me to come to Facebook, begin to get a boost? Why should I go and make a campaign? Your political campaign. Here, Ndozi Odinala. It's a new way forward. You cannot stay like this. You cannot stay like this forever. The way you are, that way is not good. The way you are is not working. It's not going to work. It's not going to work. Governor, your governor, any richest man in your land is building schools. Nke arụrụ before. UNN Nsukka, what have UNN who? Tell me somebody who UNN produce. Tell me a scientist that UNN produce. Tell me they want to build another law school in Port Harcourt and spend 20 billion. Tell me one lawyer after they go wear wig. Tell me in this whole world, and wherever they wear wig, apart from England, your people, your lawmakers studying law. Which law are they going to study? They do not have law. You can only study what you have. Which law are they going to study in Port Harcourt? They are building schools in Enugu University. What happened to Nsukka? If they did not produce any graduate in Nsukka, what are they going to produce in Enugu? Which one? One is better you are in Kenya, inside bush and wearing pant. It's better that you wear pant in your village than you are in the city wearing trousers with a foolish man. It's better you are in the village wearing pant. Everybody will come to the whole world and see you that you are a bushman. Okay. Than you are in the city man wearing trousers without brain. It's better you are with the brain in the bush that you are in the city without brain. Better. We are going to Amigwe. Gwamo udiwe anyị ga-eyi na Amigwe. Ezi omume. Anyị ga-eyi uwe ọcha ya na okpu ọlaedo. Ya na kpakpando tụkwasịrị ya eji chọọ ya mma. We are going to teach you that the goodness is good. We have used goodness to acquire knowledge from Amadioha. We have used goodness. Energy recognizes each other through vibration, not through appearance. Because you have been used to fake in Facebook. All those fake people you are looking as rich men. Most of us, we are richer than them 100 million times. If you don't know it now. Where is their product? Where is their trademark in market? Get their product in the market. You are looking at those people to come and do anything for you. These people who cannot go to Christmas in their village will build a company for you. Do they have companies? Where is their companies? The people who believe the Facebook will pay them money, will help you. Eh? People who believe that Facebook will pay them money will help you. You people in Africa, until you have common sense, I said it's better you are in the bush than in the city with a trouser. It's better you are in the bush naked, wearing pant with a brain, than in the city with a trouser. That's better. You think that he said, that small boy. Okay. Yes, that small boy. Because I am not here showing you good big house. Yeah? Showing you how wealthy I am. Have you seen a rich man showing himself? Where? Only in Facebook, rich Facebook people. A rich man on Facebook is not rich. Any rich man you see on Facebook is not a rich man, is a poor man. Because Facebook does not make you rich. You can only see rich based on what you produce. Based on your product in the market makes you rich. Have you seen Dangote here? Have you seen Dangote here? Have you seen Peace Airline here? Showing his wealth? Na nonsense. Anyị na-eje ama igwe, anyị ga-arụ ebe anyị ga-ebi. Let us see our own religion, our own tradition, our own culture, our own way of life, who we are. We are going to sell our value system to the whole world. They will buy it. Our value system is simple. No racism, no tribalism, no prejudice, and no injustice. Our value system is no corruption, no robbery, no deceit, and no hate. Ezi omume, ezunori, agbana amoga, ifunanya. This is our value. Ndozi Odinala Igbo is our value. And this value will take us to ama igwe. And anyị na-eje ama igwe. Tata bụ mbọchị aṅụrị, mbọchị ndị na-abụrụ ibe akwa. Tata bụ mbọchị aṅụrị, mbọchị ndị na-abụrụ ịkwa mkpe. Enwe onye ma onye amaala. Onye amaala, gee ntị ọfụma. Ị mara na ọ dị ka ọ dị kpọsọ, ọ dị ka ọ dị egoro. Ihe a bụrụ ndị ụka. Unu bụ ndị ụka. Ụka bụ ihe gbara ụka. Ịghọta ihe a na-akọ. Ịmaha anya arụrụ, ịmaha ụkwụ azụrụ azụ. Tata bụ mbọchị aṅụrị, mbọchị ndị na-abụrụ ibe akwa. Unu na-akwa mkpe. Unu na-ebe akwa, unu na-akwa mkpe. Anyị anaghị akwa mkpe. Anyị anaghị akwa mkpe. Unu na-akwa mkpe. Unu na-akwa mkpe. Anyị anaghị akwa mkpe. Anyị anaghị akwa mkpe. Ekwensu nọchiela anyị ụzọ. Ewere mbụrụ pịacha n'ihe ihe. Ọ daa ya ejebe ihe n'igwe na ọ daa ya ejebe na ama igwe. Ịmalụgwe na-eme. Amaala bụ enyekeregbede, anya awụchiele igiridi ngiride igirigide. Amaala bụ enyekeregbede, anya awụchi. Anyị bụ enyekeregbede. Gakwa ga-ajụ ese ihe bụ enyekeregbede. Ịma ihe bụ enyekeregbede? Amaala bụ enyekeregbede. Energy recognizes each other through vibration, not through appearance. Anyị na-aga ama igwe. Ịchọkwa ịbanye na line ịbanye. Mmiri na-erikwa unu. Mmiri ga-erikwa unu. I said it. Mgbe Noah, when Noah said, go and enter ship, go and enter ship, people ignore Noah. Mana mgbe o setiri, when it begins to happen, when rain begins to fall, what happened? Then begin to shout ngaramara ngaramara. Ngaramara ngaramara. Had I know comes at last. Had I know comes at last. Udi uwe uoma. New clothes. Igbo people, je yiri akwa. Go and wear your clothes. Igbo people, go and wear your clothes. Ga yiri uwe ọcha gị. Ga yiri uwe ọcha gị. Igbo people, go and wear your clothes. Ga yiri uwe ọcha gị. Mmiri ga-ezokwe. This mmiri na-ezo. This mmiri ga-ezo. This rain is about to fall. Ha! When this rain will fall. When this rain will fall, ọ ga-eme unu n'anya. Ọ ga-eme unu n'anya. It will happen. All of you will cry wolf. All of you will cry wolf. But I told you, I will take Joe, only generation that offers you decent life. Your children guarantee that they will never ever ghọrọ ahịa. Ụmụ amaala anaghị aghọ ahịa. ụmụ anyị ndị ndozi ọdịnala enwere ike ịghọ ahịa. Number one, every parent of onye ndozi ọdịnala must be a professional taught by us and we work by us. Guaranteed pension ọka nka a ga-akwụ ya pension, guaranteed by us. This thing is not new. It's brain. It's a wisdom. Not on Facebook show any paper money. Paper money have no value. Paper money is not a value, never been a value. We can generate. We have been generating money. We have been generating money ever since. Not here, not now. You got to go. So over on your put on Facebook, go see how beautiful his house is. He's rich. Let him come and say what he will do for children in Igbo land. They are the one who run away, leave our children to carry gun and kill each other. You will see them. They will talk from the back. They will talk from the back. Their children is dying. If you follow them on Facebook and like them, how many companies? I am the one promising you company. I am the one promising you better life. What did they offer you? Showing you buy big house. You go and kill your mother to do ritual money. You go and kill your sister to do ritual money. Kill your brother to want to become like the person on Facebook. Eh? You want to be rich like the person on Facebook. I told you, it's better you are in your village wearing pants than in the city wearing trousers. Your value is what makes you who you are, not when you want to be like somebody. Your government, your governors that represent you, they represent you. What is their value? What is their value system? What is their background, biography? That is what you have to question. If you don't have any, how are you going to question your governor? If you don't have a biography, you don't have any right to question anybody. Your land, even the government is declaring emergency on ritual in Nigeria. When I've been telling you about this witchcraft, ever since government have declared emergency in Nigeria about witchcraft and demonology. I've been warning you ever since. You say it's your tradition. I ask you, where and where? I have complete tradition. I have our complete tradition. Where is it written? Where? Show me where witchcraft is written in the tradition. Where? Ibuano simple means animal farm. Nothing more, nothing else. Enwere mgbe osi gị gbuo ewu na ọkụ. Ịchụ aja, enwere mgbe ifuru aja bụ ewu. Enwe ịchụ aja, enwere ebe ifuru ịchụ aja edere ewu ebe ahụ. Eh? Kedu ebe edere ewu na na-achụ aja? Ebe where you saw it is Abraham. Abraham lee no nwa atụrụ a ga-eji chụọrọ Chukwu aja. Abraham ezuwo oke. Abraham ezuwo oke. That is where you saw animal sacrifice, not in Igbo. You saw it in the Bible. You saw animal sacrifice in the Bible, not in Igbo land. Abraham, mbo, Abraham, mbo, ne, matura geji choro chugu aja. Abraham ezuwo oke, Abraham ezuwo oke. Ebunu butere that thing. You are not shameful. Naked women and naked men in the river bathing. What did you want? Did he hit or if you are not blind? This man who want to make you rich, where is his name in FOB? What is his product, trademark in the market? Eh? Money is a value of trade by barter. This man promising you money, naked in you, naked. A man, ordinary man, poor man, naked you. Women, our women, when did our women become so stupid? So lousy and bitches. In the river, naked. Naked in the river, a woman. Say, a man must have a woman, naked in the river. Na saru. Uwoke no na zo na boncha. Man, no na zo na boncha, umuwanyi, na boncha na zo no. Umutori inwe ego. You want to have money? Hey! Tofiakwa. Isi mụ na ndị a ga-ebi. Align ya men, nwanne align ya men, line ya women. Ụmụ nwaanyị na ụmụ nwoke no more private property, no more private amaghịzi m ihe a na-akpọ ya ihe ụmụ nwaanyị ji wee chere onwe ha line ya otu a ma ụmụ nwoke ma ụmụ nwaanyị tii na Facebook, tii na public media na afro m dat na akwa agụsigo m afro m dat na I shed tears. Onye afọ nsị the man afọ nsị nọ n'azụ ha na-agbọrọba ncha na video charity na Facebook. Yeah, this thing ndia these people ha aghọbekwa anụmanụ. Ndị a aghọbeghị anụmanụ, ha nọ below animal. Somebody na-enweghị eribeghị nri we promise you rich. Not even Dangote self we promise you rich. If you want to be rich, you work. Then you change that your work, change it to money. That's all. There is no how somebody will make you rich automatically. It makes no sense. It doesn't make any sense. It doesn't make any sense. Nwanne ọnọdụ ugo gwa ndị a nwanne ichi inwe ego ịgba mbọ. Ichi inwe ego ịgba mbọ. Ịgbasie mbọ ike inwe ego. Not criminality. Gbasie a na-akụ ọgaranya akụ ịkụ ọgaranya ọmịa mkpụrụ. 6 million ways to skin a cat. Achọrọ m ka the same way unu si aga Lagos, unu si aga Abuja. I want us in our land to have a place we are comfortable of living. That is the offer. I want to be comfortable where I am. You gotta go. Achọrọ m ịdị comfortable where I am. That is what hero does. That is what hero does. For you is difficult. Of course we know. But we want to show that difficulties in the moment of difficulties. Asidam brede nyiridike, no mbredeke jamadike. I want to prove to the world that Amadioha is great. That is what I want to show you. In the moment of difficulties, we triumph. That is the best moment. We triumph in the moment of difficulties. The moment of the most difficult moment for Igbo people is now. I want to prove it that I will turn that page off. I will turn the page. Ndozi Odinala will turn that page off, showing you that there is a way when there is no way. There is a way when there is no way. And we are going to make it an abundant. Igbo land will become industrious in our wash. Igbo land will triumph in our wash based on Amu Igwe ka anyị na-eje. As long as we wear this watcher, Wamo ụdị uwe anyị ga-eyi n'Amu Igwe. Anyị ga-eyi uwe ọcha ya na okpu ọlaedo ya na kpakpando tụkwasịrị ya eji chọọ ya mma. Igbo land will become a center of commerce. People will come from everywhere in the world to come and buy what we produce. Ihe anyị ga-arụ enweghị ndị ga-enwe. Unu na market already created. Our market, people will not have it. Only us. Here China na-eme. Ihe ndị China na-eme. Only us will produce the market. Only us know how to produce it. So that people will come and buy it in Igbo land. I agaghị ebi eje Lagos. No Lagos, no Abuja. No. Inside the where we produce it. If you don't want to come, you stay there. In a half, you're not there. We can okay, shop. No. It's selfish interest. Yes, that is selfish interest. In Igbo land, we are not moving a hand. No inch. One day, when they say, come to Igbo land. And now, we have started since 5 years ago building. In Igbo land, the building factories in Igbo land. In Igbo land. The owner of Shell is not in Nigeria. 90% of companies in Nigeria, their owners are not there. Because these people don't know how to coordinate. They don't know what is coordinate. Coordination. No coordination, no management, no direction. Yeah, come here. Anyhow, freedom fighting. Come to Nigeria and do what? To make anyone, if the director of office, you can be in Lagos and direct company in Igbo land. Or manage company anywhere. So, if so many people in this life, they don't know that in actually mad work as work and actually. Our message is pure. Everybody go and look the message. Only one thing. Ihe jikọrọ ndị Igbo ọnụ. if you want Igbo to progress and triumph, go back to the basis of the agreement. The agreement, once you take the agreement in, because every agreement, there must be mutual benefit. For there to be agreement, there must be benefit, interest. For you agreeing to be doing good, then we will offer you job for that. For you that you agree with Yamu Igbo. In exchange, we give you a job. You become a decent human being. Nigeria a job. Create a job. We can create it. We are going to create it. Simple. People are not going. Nigerian government is for government overseer. Government simple means overseer. Government to overseer. To overseer, nothing more than else. So it's better for me to stay inside the bush, that place, fortify myself, feed myself, eat belly full. You got to go and contented, comfortable. That's all. What did you want? Can you see now? People may go mistake. But I see go badata. That is why we're here. We are here to tell you that ever he neje uzaderia. You have stayed 20 years in Abuja. Every day you put around every day, or they just come. 20 years in Lagos. Every day you think you just come Lagos. And you are 20 years in Lagos. And you are thinking you just come. Since Ndi Igbo cannot be able to go to Igbo land comfortably. Ihe mebigo. Ugegbe tiwala no tiwala o. Nnukwu ugegbe tiwala no tiwala o. Ha ya. Ugegbe tiwala no tiwala o. Nnukwu ugegbe tiwala no tiwala o. Tiwara n'ike. Igbo land etisago. O tirigo. If you cannot be comfortable in that holy land anymore, o tiwago. O tirigo. O wawago. Ihe anyị bịaziri bụ ịkwa akwa. Ihe anyị bịara bụ ịkwa akwa. Anyị wutelo. Let us pick up that broken pieces. Put it together one after the other. Let us reunite that great nation called Igbo anymore. Let us reunite that great broken pieces. One day, if not, you will drown. If not, you will drown. A tree cannot make an ocean. You have disintegrated. There is no more Igwebike. Igwebike. It is a go Igwebike. There is no more Igwebike. They will enter you and exterminate you. You will be entered and exterminated within, not outside, within the house. You have 20 million group ready to fight each other. Everybody come to Facebook to train who they will train. Inside your house, your people, your own children are planning to exterminate each other in your own land, in your own eyes. And you shut up. They are telling you who they will train and who will train who. Inside everybody, the same your land. Why that not training going on in Igbambri? Why this training not going on in Ijo land? Why not in Ibini land? Why not in Lagos land, but in Igbo land? All this training, all these different groups, all of them fighting in the same Igbo land. One neighbor, you have been scattered. Go back to basis. One nechigazu to basis. Amu igwe. Onye na-ekweghị na amu igwe amapịa n'iwu. The only way. Onye na-ekweghị na amu igwe mana na onye ahụ bụ onye ọjọọ. Igbo simple means security. Security means antivirus. If you want to know evil ones, tinye amu igwe. Tinye data amu igwe ahụ. Let us see who will violate that rules. Then we know that are evil ones. Let me know who will violate that amu igbo. Amu igbo. Onye ọbụla si ya bụ onye igbo must guide, because ihe mekọrọ mụ na gị onye igbo that ezi omume ezi n'ori abụ na amụ gị ịfụnanya. That is the rule that binds us together. Anybody who violates it must go away from this land. Exile 7 years. Anybody who violates this rule, go away from this land for 7 good years. Then you will see your land will become good. If not, everybody will become king of their own, king makers. Then we have 200 kings in your land. Your children will become victim of it. Everybody will wake up one day and they will make law from Finland. They will make law from Switzerland. They will make law from America. They will make law from everywhere. They will make law from Middle East. Everybody making the law. Igbo land is burning. They make laws everywhere. Because if you don't have rules and regulation, everybody will become independent of their own. And they will make laws because you don't have one. You say you have elders. Eh? And they will go and begin to talk on Facebook, social media. How many times have you seen Sultan of Sokoto talking on social media? How many times have you seen the Ile of Ife talking on social media? Yeah? Your king will talk on social media. You see king, king, what do you call it? Chief Dancy. Na-echi ọzọ a na-echi eze nwe ihe anaghị echi sọsọ unu nwa bụ sọsọ unu nwa na Naịjirịa sọsọ unu nwa na Naịjirịa. Ihe eji mara ndị Igbo ịdị n'otu bụ ọrụ, ịdị n'otu bụ nnukwute ịfụnanya. Ịdị n'otu, Igbo bụ ndị kwere n'ihe otu kwuru. Igbo bụ ndị kwere n'ihe otu kwuru, ndị egbochiri egbochi. The great ones, the beautiful ones. Nwaanyị Igbo makarichara mma n'ụwa niile. Nwoke Igbo makachara mma n'ụwa niile. Ifo fine boy ma nwoke gwara agwụ. Ịghọtago? Ọ nwoke Igbo ka ọ ga-eme ọ na-aga. Ụmụasa a na-anyụ. Nwaanyị Igbo na-aga, boys a na-anyụ. Unu ewerego destiny niile. Igbo land bụ full of milk and honey. Ala ọma nna anyị. Ala ọma nna anyị, ala mara mma, o Chukwu meghere anyị ụzọ nke igwe. Ezi igwe, Chukwu meghere anyị ụzọ nke igwe. Ala ọma nna anyị rejectịrị anyị. Nwanne bụpụ asụ ka ala anụ nwa gbaghara anyị. Let this land forgive us. Let this land forgive us because we have destroyed the land. Common sense is that you must take care of environment. You are telling our people to stop dating this environment. And they are questioning your character. They are questioning a character of somebody who tell you, stop spilling the blood here. And they stop this dating of these rivers and streets in the name of sacrifice. And you want to question that character. You have to question your ability to reason. Not the character of somebody who trying to tell you that these things are the ones the land reject you. Don't invite forces. Something. There is common thing. Listen very carefully. Irisie nni enyuo nsị. Nsị ahụ enyuru bụ poison. Enyunyere ya na pit. Ịghọtago, enyunyere n'ime pit. Or na sock away. Or sock away. Sock away. Anytime you do witchcraft, any ogwu anụ nwunu na-eme, you are going to inside sock away to bring out poison. You are going inside sock away to bring out poison. But that is only way to pass to life. You have to know the good ones and the bad ones. Separate the good from the bad. If not, the land will be angry with you. Because land already don't want that. Land everywhere in the... That's why if you do evil in America, everybody will begin to shout, justice, justice, justice. In Nigeria, something will happen. You cannot, no movement, no demonstration, no justice, nothing. You will see somebody on the street, a dead body. Everybody will pass there and jump. People will see a dead body and jump. Try that in Spain. Until they found what killed that person, they will not rest. How can't the land protect them and bless them? The land will protect them and bless them. Because they don't want evil to happen here. Na ba somebody ga-egbuzuru ọkụkọ. Agụ na agụ ọta ọkụkọ akụbi akụgbuo mụọ ya ọkụ. Ndị mmadụ ekwu, yes, onye ekwesịrị, yes, onye ekwesịrị. Ofu aka rụta mmanụ ozu ọha ọnụ. As long as n'isi na ọhịa ekwesịrị, ịrachakwa na mmanụ ahụ. Ịrachago mmanụ ahụ mbọsị ọ ga-eme gị, ọkwa ihe aka onye ọzọ ga-ekwu. Ọ sị ọ na-eme oburu isi kpọrọ nkụ. The one thing Igbo people carry me is to prove the whole world that in the book of Job, Job lose his wife, lose his job, lose everything, but Job say, yes, I will stay here. What happened at the end of the day? Job become rich and Job have everything recovered he lost. What you will have done is kwechiri until you see the end of the road. If you turn, temptation comes and you fall. You have fallen into temptation. See the repercussion of the temptation you fall into. See the repercussion of the temptation you fall. You have been hypnotized and agitate. You react. Hypnotize and agitate, you react. And when you have a na n'igwe okwu ngwa unu ihe mere unu na 60-70 today ngwa unu ebe o si bịa and the plan goes we may execute, you cannot believe it. Ngwa gị na ihe ha bụrụ your intention, you cannot believe it. Ị gaghị ekwe ọ bụrụ your intention, but ọ ihe arụrụ arụ akpasịa nkata ọghọ ngịga. You don't even know what's going on in life. Ị mara ihe na-eme, you go a victim of your own make. Ị mara ihe na-eme nkata akpara akpa ọghọ ngịga. You got nobody will justify what happened. You don't know what happened. I know what happened to you. From 67 till now, I know what happened to you. But I cannot tell you because whenever the student is ready, the matter appear. You got that? So what you hear today is your own make. Human mind is just an authoring mechanism. It's an authoring mechanism. Anything they want in the go. You need to repeat, but the same thing, repeat it until you begin to agitate. In Mamba high another generator. You got one Osoba. Piamaya the 13 people until or may absorb. Believe one is yoku. If you marry a man or a victim. That is it. Actually, a ball and I pass a ball. I'm not net it. I pass a ball and open a bit awesome. Go. That is it. The best. The most peaceful land on earth. We have this highest history of tourism on earth. Our direction, they misdirect us. Then shift that direction. Ebani Karino today. Number one tourism on earth land. We have the best environment for tourism. Onye biri na Igbo with iri Igbo can live 300 years. Scientific proof in laboratory of the world. In Igbo land, that man can live 300 years. In life for 300 years by living in that meridian, Igbo land. Then shift to you. We're from there. Now our children is dying. Not even 18 years. Not even 18 years. Even claiming the right to die. Even want to die. How can your children say they don't want to live anymore? It's a frustration. So if we say we are bringing job, not because we are not comfortable where we are, we cannot see our children die below 20. How can I see my own people die below 20 years? Am I mad? What do you lack? I don't lack anything. I did not lack anything. If I say I forget them, nothing will happen to me. But I cannot see my own young people because of misdirection. Because I brought education. We are working on our website, the best education of Igbo history ever existed. One day we go deep to get those information, not in Google. You got to go. We go deep and deep. It's not a competition. We want the best for you. We want the best for you. Whatever you will live in this life, justify for your next life. So when you are here no more, people will speak about you. That's all. That is what we care. Not about your money, not about anything. How can you see your own children? You know that boy in the street saying, Burebwe na street. You know this boy is normally honeme. You know it. This boy amari honeme. Because that government na agba mmadụ egbe. Onye na government na agba mmadụ egbe ma oji ha egbe. Just not like 20 naira. O weta ogba gị, ofuze gị iji egbe. So can you let your own people drown because of misdirection? No. No. That is why we offer the help. We put hand to bring him out. I go put na mmiri. You got to, so o nwere ihe ndị Igbo na-agụ n'egwu mgbe anyị pere mpe. A na-agụ Imo River. Mmiri na-eri mmadụ eri. Mmiri nyere onye mmiri eri. Onye mmiri eri bụ onye mmiri. You got to. So for me to let them drown, if I know. One we ndị Ndozi Odinala, especially me, I speak for myself. You got to go. There are things in this life because people check about this witchcraft, but life. No, not about witchcraft. Nobody disputing that if there is good, there is evil. If there is good, there is evil. So these people want to use evil power to justify power. No, as you have evil power, also there is good power. Also, there is good power. If you have evil, there is also good power. So not because of we don't care about evil power does not mean there is no good power. But we choose good power, not evil power. We choose good power. So evil power will always kill you. Okay, boogie. Because before you can drive a car, you must have a license. So if you have a license, you drive well. If you don't have license, your car drown. So if you have license, you take good power because whenever the student is ready, the master appear. Once you develop in the mind, you na na nwata ma mo mara onwu ya egbu. Ndị amabeghị mmanwụ eje buru ọgwụ rụrụ arụ. Ha amabeghị mmanwụ ha buru ọgwụ rụrụ arụ. Ike ikwosi ọ na-eme na like a argument ko na-eme. That is the poison, it will kill you. Okay, boogie. That thing will kill you. Not about ọ na-eme. That thing will kill you. That is how you see somebody naked. Ụmụ naked na mmiri. Bụ onwe ha ọtụtụ na Facebook. Ọ hara bụ datin. Nwanne ihe ọ bụ hara. Ọ bụ hara bụ datin. The same thing they told you in your own Bible. In your own Bible, ọ sị gị, God created Adam in his own image. Now, Adam na Eve gata mkpụrụ ịchasị ha tara. Now, you reject the Bible. After you reject the Bible, inside your own personal life, no Bible, nothing. You are crying that things are not working well. Remove the Bible. Now, why is your land burning? You say it's Nigeria. It's Nigeria. Nigeria will finish Chicago. Okay, who is Boko Haram in the north? Who is doing that? Nigeria too. Yeah? Igboho, Nigeria too. Ke ha na-akpọ nke ọzọ na mba mmiri, ndị mba mmiri. Niger Delta militant. Nigeria na mekweda wa. Nwanne, there is mind. Every human being have mind. Nigeria, there is nobody Nigeria. We have Nigerians. Not Nigeria. There is nothing like Nigeria. We have Nigerians, which is the people. So the mind of American people is what make American great, not the name America. The mind of Spanish people make Spanish great because it's solidarity. It's solidarity. That solidarity makes the place great. But it must be in a mutual understanding based on interest, protecting the interests of those people who solidify that union. Nigeria have no solidarity, no sympathy. That's why Nigerians are not doing anything for Nigeria, because Nigeria gave nothing to Nigerians. That is the problem. So you must make them stakeholders. They must have a job, train their children, and have a school, decent school, have security. All those things make people happy to protect something. That's why American person will be patriotic American, because security cover here, insurance cover here. A Spanish person will be proud of Spain because insurance cover here. So if you are Igbo, let's bring it down to Igbo. I'm telling you why Nigeria have a problem. Then let's come to Igbo. The same thing should happen to Igbo. If you say you are Igbo, no interest, Igbo land will be a dustbin. I want you to be a stockholder in Igbo land, a stakeholder, so that you will protect the land. That's why I want to give you a job. I want to give you the job so that you will see the reason why to protect the Igbo. Have sense. Don't you say I'm talking, I am talking something so that you go to bed, you sleep and think about it. I want you to have a reason to be Igbo. That's why I want to give you the job. So I want that name to speak, because if you go, you say, Igbo give me job, Igbo give me education, Igbo give me tradition, Igbo give me religion, Igbo give me everything. You have a reason to defend Igbo. If we don't give you anything, how can you defend Igbo? You are lying to yourself. Eze ndị Igbo na Japan, eze ndị Igbo na America, eze ndị Igbo na Kano, ụmụada na ebe nwe taa ya bụ Union of ndị ara obodo ndị nkịtị ha mbịakwa na ụmụ Igbo. So, if you don't remove your people from poverty, they will not defend you. That is why people are ashamed to be Nigerians, because no insurance, no security, nothing. We are not politicians, so we cannot do those ones. I know what you do, but because we are not there. For you to participate in something, you must be among. Ichi does something among. So I am politicians, so we cannot do that. But we are Igbos, so we can do our own. We want you to be patriotic Igbo. What it takes to be a patriotic Igbo is, number one, anyị ga-enye gị ọrụ. Anyị ga-make sure na ahụ na aja gị ị ga-eje ụlọ ọgwụ. Anyị nwere ike, we cannot afford giant hospital, but we can afford mini small hospital. Mini small one. We know how to run the small one. Or I chose a lab. We can send to big hospitals and pay them for the lab. That's all. Small hospital so that the people will go daily checkup. That one, we can do it. Not expensive. We can employ doctor and every month we pay the doctor her salary or his salary. Ikanka based on the oro anya akwụgwọ your pension. You got that? So you retire in Igbo land. You work in Igbo land, they contribute to develop your own land. You got that? So that is why, because Igbo cannot just be in anyone. Kwem n'Igbo, nambulibono, kwem no to Chukwu, nambulibono. Nambulibono ki kwem no to Chukwu. One no eziokwu. You are just saying those Igbo n'anyone because it's out of ignorance. Can your brother marry a brother? You cannot marry your brother. So if you have to be Igbo, nothing like Anambra, Enugu, Imo, Owerri. These are states created. These are states. They are not Igbo. They are states. Understand? That's why they are asking for new state. And actual new state. So if Igbo land, they have 40 states now. So you are 40 villages. No. So you are Igbo first. Listen. You are Igbo. Anambra and Imo was created by Buhari and IBP and Ndozi with go on. So don't use that to justify who you are. You are Igbo. Then Igbo kwenu, yeah. Igbo, this is a resurrection of the dead soul. Let us resurrect this drowning identity. We don't have anything more. Let us offer our children jobs so that they will not go and disown us again. We tie them down here in Igbo land with oro. We tie them down in Igbo land with job. Give them house. Give them car. Anything they need, we give them. As long as they work, we take money from their salary to pay for those things. These things are not difficult. We have lived in them. We have contributed to develop where we are. This already. We have done it already. And we have started doing it in our land already. These things is already going. This project has been almost 5 years going. Not a new thing. because you have to if you want to build something, you must lay the foundation very strong before you begin to build. You cannot build on empty foundation, it will fall. That's why I said anyị ga-eyi uwe ọcha ya na okpu ọlaedo ya na kpakpando tụkwasịrị ya eji chọọ ya mma. You must lay a strong foundation so that the house will not fall. Lekwa anya ebe a. Gwa m ụdị uwe anyị ga-eyi n'eluigwe. Ezi omume, ezi omume, ezi omume. You produce the best politicians by instituting value as the foundation of education. You have the best police, the best army, the best security, you best children. If you don't give them value in the child, corrupt politician, corrupt police, corrupt brother, corrupt sister, they will not look over you. Oga ha nwanne. Ị ga-asị nwanne ka ije. Ọ ga-ere gị. O enemy ka ije, not nwanne ka ije. Gịnị nwanne ka ije? Ị ga na-aga na street ifu nwanne gị, isi ya nwanne, ọ sị gị, ogbeni kilode. Ogbeni kilode. Kinyele yi. Ọ dịra ya ga-etinye ya wee Yoruba, ọsọpụta ka Yoruba. Yes, because nwere nwa ihe dị ka nwanne ka ije. Ịchọ nwanne ka ije, amụ Igbo, ihe Igbo kwere na ya, ezi omume, ezi n'ori, agba na amụ akụchie ya n'ọfọ, ọ bụghị n'elu ọnụ. Na education. Na education system, anyị nwere this standard, our own traditional education, how to educate our child to be a good Igbo. They will never ever deny Igbo because we will offer them the benefit of being Igbo. We will give them the benefit of being Igbo, that honor of being Igbo. We will give them so that they will not deny us. Your children, somebody will go to Lagos and speak Oyibo. You see as Oyibo do. I say o nwere benefit on us on enwete ya. O nwe Igbo na-enye m. O ya awo gina. Because o nwe uru ọ na-asụ ya. Isi aga na Igbo na asị go ji ime gịnị ka ha gbuo ya. Enwe uru ọ na-aga na Igbo ka ọ nwee chọrọ ịnwụ. Who want to die? He may die if he go to Igbo land or his life will be snatched. These people not there. They have no Igbo value. They have been grown by these priests and pastors. These priests and pastors, your father, no, I went to seminary school. There is no how my father told me to go to seminary to be a good child. They see it as a business. They see it as a business. That father will go to become father and bring in money. The same way you can go boy. It's the same way they see the priest. So there is no time then send that priest to come and make the society good. No. So we must understand our society. We have to do the architect to reconstruct a strong, vibrant, and vibrant society. A vibrant, decent society with honor. Then we will attract foreigners, investors inside our society because we are honest, we are good, we have value, we don't steal, we are not corrupt, we don't hate. Then we attract energy, attract each other based on vibration, not on appearance. Once we lay this foundation in Igbo land, suppress every evil, you will see the land will give us in abundance. All those things we go to China, we go to Japan to look for. That we migrate, enslave ourselves in all these countries. This land will give us in abundance, and the land will welcome us. Obasarono aka, obasarono aka ya ko were narono, wero nanya nenye njoko akpọgburu n'obe. Owe n'ukwu n'ebe ọgbasara n'ụwa ọhịa ka plen na-eme. Ifu plen gbasa aka ya ọrịa. Plen gbasa aka ya ọrịa. Ndị Igbo na-akpọ ya imesara aka. Enwere ike ngụ egwu ha chana egwu ndị ụka. O nwere egwu ndị ụka. Plen gbasa aka ya ọrịa. Imesara aka. Ọgbasara n'ụwa aka, ọgbasara n'ụwa. aka. What we say have not been said, or it may have been said. What we do has not been done, or it may have been done. But we want the best for that name. We want the whole world to recognize that name were a situation ndị Igbo nọ in one time in history of human race, but something happened and turned down the page. We want to turn the page. Yes, we are not asking you to do. No. What we want from you is constant focus. We never ask you any money. Be a sympathizer. Listen very carefully. Anytime we go wrong, tell us that we go wrong. But to just stay and wishing us bad or to fail, we tell you that we are not here because of you. And you cannot do it because we never call you and ask you information or ask you any help. So if you are not helping us with financial or with anything, how are you going to bring us down? You can't. Because you don't know how we are doing, what we are doing, how we are going to do it. So you cannot do it. That's why we say, just stay focused. Listen. If you want to join, we want the highest we can. Let them be convinced that the best for Igbo land is development. Our children will stop carrying guns if they have job and they stay in the working place. Nobody will tell them nonsense. They will not even have the time to hear nonsense. We will give them merimerize. Once they come out from working place, then go to rest, take a bath, then come out and have some drink, have some merimerize. So their time will be monitored and checked. You don't leave them free. They stay in the morning till night doing nothing. Idleness is a devil's workshop. Eh? Don't you know that idleness is a devil's workshop? Your children is empty. No education. No tradition. No money. You will see somebody 18, 15, 20 years. No money to buy deodorant. You will see the women, the ladies. No deodorant panty merendoka. 18 years the panty merendoka. Brazil merendoka. Why can't we have reason that is our responsibility as a people to carry these people along? It's our responsibility. If you cannot do it, why don't you support those who are capable of doing it? We never ask you money. Things I here, go and check our video from 2014 or 15. So, if we have ever come here and asked you money, come and tell us. You are the one drawing your own self back. You are the one slowing your own way forward. If had it been, your land will not be like this. Had it been, you understand this message earlier. We want to prevent this thing happening in your land today. But you ignore it. In a head. Hey, on your head. Hey, yeah, we'll get therapy. Therapy, Diano. I in your head, in your hand, in your head. Your husband will love you when you give hand, when you give leg. And I go get it. Eh? Now go get it. Man, it's okay to be a Facebook champion. One day we play Champions League, not Facebook. Because I am on a Facebook on there. But I your hair slow your video. You gotta go, you hear what is the customer. I don't want anybody to control our movement. I want the movement to be locally made. So that in Bosaga Chupa on Facebook, I am not local. You gotta, I want the movement to be coordinated locally. I need to even on you more than pant. So see how you gonna you watcher no boledo. Na be Danny. I get you watcher, no boledo. Yana Bapando to Quasilia, Eddie Choyama, you Obanda Choyama, Obanda Choyama. Ha! Oh, Moibe. Oh, Kaka Udi Buan, Udi Buncho, Udi Buage Manegu, Inu Ibo to Ibanago. Oh, when one in Nebi Halibo, Nebe. iyoromi yoyoroyoroyoyo, iyoromi yoyoroyoroyoyo, oke osisi dara n'ala anya anyị ga-eti mmọnwụ agbọghọbịa ebighị ala Igbo na-ebe iyo nyoro, agbọghọbịa ebighị ala Igbo na-ebe iyo nyoro. Ndị a mụrụ na Lagos na Abuja ọ na-asị papa kpọrọ m n'ala Igbo biko, Father I want to go to Igbo land, Father I want to go to Igbo land. Ndị a mụrụ na America, Father please I want to go to Igbo land, I want to live there. Mana for the moment na nwanne isi a na a ga-eje ala Igbo sị gị ọrụ ọgwụ ọ lekwere gị mụrụ gị na onye na-eje. Anyị chọrọ iyoromi yoyoroyoroyoyo, iyoromi yoyoroyoroyoyo, oke osisi dara n'ala anya anyị ga-eti mmọnwụ agbọghọbịa ebighị ala Igbo na-ebe iyo nyoro. Onye rịrị ọjị kparakwa ya nkụ, onye rịrị ọjị kpara ya nkụ. Anya furu ugo tụrụ ugo na ada afụ ugo kwada, anya furu ugo tụrụkwa ugo ada afụ ugo kwada. Ana m agbakwara ụnụ ama, Igbo of goodness, Igbo of peace, Igbo of harmony, Igbo of freedom, Igbo of unity, Igbo of oneness. That is the Igbo we are talking about. Harmony, freedom, peace, and unity. May you remain blessed. Amadioha remain the greatest. The wisdom, knowledge, and understanding. Yadruna Mumibe.